How to fix Grindr app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app. For that, open your app store. Now search for the app Grindr. After app appears, you'll see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache for the app. For that, open your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option of general. Open the option iPhone storage. After you find it, open it. Now click on a float app. Click on a float app. Click on reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards very last solution, you have to completely delete this app and reinstall it. Now long press on the app. Click on remove app. Click on delete app. Click on delete. After you delete this app, open your app store. Now search for the app and install it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Grindr app not working on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.